Welcome back to Friends at 5. Right now we are joined again by our attorney, Brian Shealy, speaking more about the case today, the oral arguments in the Supreme Court, what our justices had to say. We're also talking about the renewed interest, people getting up there very, very early, hoping to get in the courtroom. They only allow, I think, 100 people inside, which means a lot of folks didn't get in.
Right. It's a spectacle. It's the biggest thing in town or maybe the state, again, renewing national attention. And people want to know how this all works. They want to relitigate it. They all recall exactly their position on the case as the evidence was flowing through it during those 6 weeks. And now the legal issues are being raised, and these chief justices, who are the best and brightest in the state, are coming down on both sides to try to get to the truth. And so, yeah, it's just a real popular event.
I've seen social media comments about, why are you guys giving this coverage? Why are you even focusing on this? Nobody cares. He did it, over and done with. But that public fascination remains all these years later.
It does. I mean, we've been so thinking and focused on the appeal and then the conviction itself. But when this case came about, it was the players, right? You've got a lawyer, very prominent, the family of prominence, with former solicitors and head prosecutors, generations of that, and then the worst crime possible, murder, right? And then it's the way it all played out is just fascinating, and so then we also learned that he is a bad lawyer, right? He's stealing from clients, and so it is just, as has always been and will be, a fascinating story. And regardless of what happens with the Supremes, they will get appealed, and there will be more intrigue, however it lands.
And you all are going to have another conversation coming up later tonight, 9 o'clock, correct?
That's right. Coming up tonight on WLTX Plus, we're going to have a extended conversation about what happened in the courtroom today. What are some of the standout moments, and then what happens next in this process? So you'll be joining us.
I will.
That'll be coming up tonight, 9 o'clock on WLTX Plus. Hope you'll be joining us for that.
A lot of questions will be answered.
Indeed.
All right, stay with us.